Hi everyone, in this video I am going to talk about generic interface in Java. Interfaces declared with type parameters are generic interfaces. They can be implemented by both generic and non-generic classes. And the syntax of generic interface is public interface name followed by open angle bracket. Then we can specify multiple type parameters, closed angle bracket followed by interface body. Now let's look at this with the help of an example. So this is my generic interface. In this interface I have defined one generic method, build, and the return type is shape. And in this generic class shape builder I am implementing generic interface iBuilder, and here I am overriding the build method, and inside this build method I am just returning the object of new shape. Now let's go to our main class. Inside our main class I am first instantiating the shape builder class and assigning the object into iBuilder variable. First of all, let's look at the rectangle and shape class also. In the rectangle class I have defined two member variables, instance variables, length and breadth, then two constructors, then getter and setter methods, area, and two string method. In the square class also I have defined one instance variable aside, one constructor, then getter setter method, area, and two string method for printing on console. And this is my generic shape class. Here I have defined one shape instance variable and one getter setter method, get shape and set shape. Now let's go back to our main class. So in the second line I am calling build method on the iBuilder variable which we initialized here, and then I am assigning it on rectangle shape variable. Then I am creating one rectangle object by passing length and breadth in the argument. Then I am calling set shape method on the rectangle shape variable by passing the rectangle object, and finally I am printing the area and get shape method. So this will print the toString method. Now let's run it. So you can see that it has printed the toString method of rectangle class and then the area. Similarly we can do this for our square class also. We can define one square shape variable, and then we can use the same iBuilder variable. This will return a shape object, and then we can define a square by instantiating the square class and passing the side of the square in the argument. Then we can call the set shape and pass the square variable in the argument, and similarly we can print the toString method of square shape and area of square. Now let's run this program. You can see that it has printed the toString method of square and the area of square. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.